Dear viewers, are you looking to give your kitchen a fresh new look? Look no further. In this video, we will be sharing some stunning kitchen design ideas to transform your home in 2024. First up, let's talk about the minimalist kitchen trend. Clean lines, sleek surfaces, and a clutter-free space can make your kitchen feel modern and sophisticated. Consider opting for neutral colors and integrated appliances to achieve this look. If you are a fan of bold colors, why not try a statement kitchen? Vibrant cabinets, colorful backsplashes, and eye-catching fixtures can add a touch of personality to your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different hues for a truly unique design. For those who love a more rustic feel, the farmhouse kitchen style might be perfect for you. Exposed beams, reclaimed wood, and vintage accents can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Add some industrial touches for a modern twist in this classic look. Is the most used room in the house. Your kitchen handles everything from breakfast to late night snacks, and it always seems to be the place people congregate during parties. However, if it is on the dated side or you simply don't love the finishes, you are probably not enjoying the time you spend in there as much as you could. That's where we come in. Kitchens are kind of our thing, so we have gathered in the best kitchen ideas from designers to help you imagine and plan your perfect space. Great kitchen design ideas combine style and functionality. After all, there is not much of a point to having beautiful things if they don't make your life easier. If you want more a restaurant at home feeling, consider banquet seating. McLean star worthy home cooks will want focus on great appliances and prep space, including a kitchen island. Since most people renovate this space about once a decade, creating a timeless kitchen you'll love for years to come is of the utmost importance. So whether you are renovating or simply looking for some inspiration to make you more efficient, you will find what you need in this kitchen design ideas. From country casual to sleek and modern, and literally everything in between, we have got every design style covered. We did not forget any details either. Gorgeous countertops, unique backsplashes, and statement lighting, they are all here. Last but not least, don't forget about the importance of lighting in your kitchen design. Pendant lights, under cabinets lighting, and these features can all help to illuminate your space and create the perfect ambience. Which of these kitchen design ideas is your favorite? Let us know in comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration. Thank you.